Hi, I'm Amy O'Connell, the principal of the Upper Elementary campus here at Prospect Hill.
Hi, I'm Nerissa Paris, the assistant principal, Upper Elementary campus.
In the Upper Elementary School, we really focus on independent learning and our students becoming the citizens of tomorrow. We focus on the work of learning about our world, learning about our country, and how to make it better. Through our CREW values, which stands for courageous, responsible, empathetic, and well-balanced, we live those out every day here at PHA. In our curriculum, we study the heroes of yesterday, from African American leaders to the women suffragettes to those who entered the space race. In math, we use a really robust curriculum that is one of DESE's top-rated curriculums that allows students to engage in problem-based learning and deep thinking about mathematical concepts that will serve them into their high school careers when they engage in calculus, advanced algebra, and other advanced placement courses. Our social studies curriculum is an innovative new pilot from DESE called Investigating History, in which students dive deep into historical events that matter to our lives today. Our science curriculum combines research and extensive labs that allow students to explore things like fossils, space, light, sound, and other elements that form our natural world. And our humanities curriculum allows students to engage in deep investigations where they really dive deep into matters of historical significance, but also literary significance and how those two things connect, how literature and history come together to make the world more interesting and to help us learn in new and different ways.
So something we're learning in class is like decimals and how to multiply decimals, and she makes it really fun because we get to do these games for prizes about decimals and how you multiply them, and that was makes me really excited in class.
I like humanities because you get to learn more about the history of the United States and other countries and what's happened, which made us like this, like women's suffrage, Black Lives Matter, American Revolution, Civil War, and World War.
One highlight for upper elementary students is the visit to nature's classroom at the end of their 4th grade year, where students get to learn from nature, spend 3 days in nature, and engage in hands-on science learning and team building with their classmates.
I heard that there's good food. A lot of the 5th graders and 6th graders were saying it's better than the school lunch. The boys and girls are going to be separate. There's basketball courts. It's for science to explore the nature. There's gonna be activities. We're gonna have cabins that we're gonna sleep in, and we're gonna have partners where we're gonna sleep with bunk beds. I'm excited.
We are very proud of our school culture. Students embrace CREW every day as they enter the building. They're courageous for the fact that they are here to learn and speak about the things that go on in their everyday life. They are responsible because they help one another engage into the curriculum. They are empathetic when things are not going right. We are using their tools of passion and restorative practices to help one another through tough situations. And another great thing about UE is that we have an advisory block every morning where students are able to greet one another, share things that are going on in their life, and use it as a tool to bond and build community. We love family engagement. We want families to come in. We want them to volunteer. We also actually are excited that we have coffee and chat with the teachers as well as the admin, so families can come and talk to us about things that are going on that they want us to be aware of. We love that our families want to be involved in our campus so we can make great changes and make great change agents.
We are so excited to add your perspective to our community, and we look forward to seeing you at PHA.